Here are the two Craftmade Piccolo ceiling fans that I installed here at work. I am here after hours today because we had a lunch event today and I grabbed some of the leftovers. It was like a chicken parmesan kind of thing and some pasta. It was actually really good. And then I put it in the freezer here and neglected to actually bring it home. So I opted to come back after the traffic calmed down because these aren't airtight. It's not going to hold it overnight. So we'll bring that home. And inadvertently, it made for a good opportunity to record these fans. These are the two that had to do with that blade saga. So this one has the set of blades that I had from back when I ordered these originally, which is white on both sides. And then this one has the new blades I got recently, which are some kind of gray monochrome wood grain texture type color on the other side. So I ended up installing these using a 2x4, which I connected to these loops using two hose clamps, which are a very strong material, and then just a standard BX wire and fan box. And the fans can sway, of course, because it's not right up against the flat part, but they're in good balance and they really don't move at all while in operation. This one had a slight wobble to it when I first put it up, and I changed the ordering of the blades and it went away completely. I also have a Galaxy fan here in my office. So I'll go ahead and turn these on now. We'll start on high. There's that one, and here's this one. This one seems to move more air, which of course is an effect of the environment, but it's pretty much the same environment. So I don't really see why that is. In fact, if anything, the other one has more space for air to get on top of it. But these are very powerful and they're almost inaudible. You can hear a little bit of airflow on high, but they're pretty much silent. Very, very powerful. You can see it's even lifting up the pictures. Very, very powerful fans. The blade pitch on these things is insane. I believe it's 25 degrees. And they run very smooth. No shake or anything like that. No vibrations, no motor noise. Go down to medium. And this is better than having a portable fan because this is more of a gentler breeze that's everywhere, as opposed to a concentrated stream that's in one small area with more noise. Because this, even at full power, doesn't distract talking on a phone or if I'm having a meeting or something on the computer or whatever. It's not enough wind noise to cause a problem on microphones, and there's no motor noise or anything to pick up. So here it is on medium. This one definitely moves a lot more air, which I really don't understand. It kind of throws more air out to the sides as well. In fact, if I only had one of them, if I only had this one, I probably would be okay, because it would cover when I'm sitting in my chairs here, and it would cover at the desk. But of course, having the two looks much cooler. I like this install. It's got a very commercial appearance to it. It's pretty cool. And we'll go down to low. And for the fob, I just took the fob off the extension and put the little connector thing on there, and that holds it up, and that works just fine. They do hang kind of low, but it's not lower than, you know, the pipe or anything else as you whack your head on, so it's not an issue for me. Even on low, I can still feel a considerable breeze. Most of the time they just sit on low, and that's good enough. It's interesting how slow these run on low, considering how small they are. These, I believe, are only 30-inch fans. Okay, we'll switch them off. And they stop pretty quick because the blades have so much air resistance and there's really no weight. So there they are, the two Craftmade Piccolo ceiling fans that I have here at work in the mysterious white finish that comes with the blades sold separately, but yet there's no way to purchase the blades separately. I still have zero understanding of how that's supposed to work, but at least I was finally able to get the blades and install the fans.